Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with July's Magical Mystery Beat Box. So this came in the mail today. I'm super excited. I don't know the theme because I don't look at them. Try not to spoil myself on other channels. I just haven't had the time to watch any YouTube, not even my own lately. So, oh, it's really pretty. Let's see. It says Bohemian Nights. Oh, yay, this looks gorgeous. Let's see, what's inside? Design elements, bead mix, and Bohemian Nights, sunset, sundance, Toho trio mix. Try to say that 10 times fast. Turquoise enamel dangle chain. Oh my goodness. Bead strand and Bohemian Nights. Midnight beaded chain. Dreamscape metal assortment. Exotic patchwork metal assortment. Flaunt your fuchsia stone mix. And Dancing at Dusk tassel set. So design using the Magical Mystery Box for July and post with hashtags MMBB July and Jesse James Beads to be entered for a $50 gift card. Very cool. I can already tell I'm gonna love this. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing things and it's like out of the side of my eye and it's gorgeous. So the first thing, sunset, sundance. I'm gonna leave this here so we can kind of refer back to it. Seed bead mix. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Next we have, oh my god, it's just such a great box. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on. All right, so here's the Dreamscape Metal mix. We'll open it up, of course. And actually this stuff goes so well with a necklace I've been designing that was teal and purple that I was going to do a video on this weekend. So, ooh, we might have to rethink that. But anyway, we have, oh, it's almost like a dream catcher, but it's not, because it's just like lace over a ring. That's really cool with a flower in the middle. Those are awesome. Those are fantastic. And then we have some chandeliers, or yeah, chandelier findings. That could be earrings. We'll probably make some earrings with that. What do you think? I think so. Oh, everything's so pretty. I don't want to look at all of it at the same time. So this is the, I think this is the midnight beaded chain. It's really pretty, faceted glass or crystal beads with some small antique brass spacers, and then they're just hand linked. That's awesome. I love beaded chain, and I love that it's already done for me because it takes a long time, even if you're using like a tool that helps. So that's really pretty. Next we have, oh my gosh, there's so much going on. There's so much in here. Dancing at Dusk, little tiny tassels. This will be cute. You guys know I don't really like tiny tassels at all. Like I probably won't use these, but I think this would be cute if we did an earring with these, and these. That could be adorable. Maybe I'll get past my tiny tassel dislike to make those earrings, but I think that's really cute. I'm not going to open it up because these will be everywhere. Next we have Flaunt Your Fuchsia Stone mix, which is awesome. So it looks like we have some magnesite in here, or dyed howlite, either one. Some like jade, dyed jade, or a quartz in purple, like a dark plum, and then some pyrite, which is awesome because I don't have a lot of pyrite, and the stuff I do have is not like this nice. That's pretty cool. I love pyrite. And then we have a few shapes of magnesite. That's awesome. I'm super happy about that. Oh, I love it. All right, that's, you know, that goes with a ton of the stuff that I have already. Next we have exotic patchwork metal assortment. Okay, these are amazing. These are so heavy. Like they look like they're gonna be like painted acrylic or coated acrylic, but they're metal and they're patinaed and they're really substantial. These are gorgeous. I would think to make earrings with them, but there's no way I can because I don't wear earrings and I don't want to give them away. So I'll be making those into a necklace for sure. These actually would go really well with the stuff I have planned for my purple and teal necklace. Ugh. And then we have some gold spacers or gold metal beads. I have some of those from Jesse James Beads. I love those. We have some links. These are pretty cool. These could be used with the link chain. Oh, actually that would make a really cool Y necklace. And then we have 2 gunmetal barrels or tubes. Very nice. I love that assortment. These are so stunning. This is my favorite thing so far in this box, these beads. And then we have my next favorite thing because it's gorgeous and my favorite color. We have the turquoise enamel dangle chain. Look at this. This is so happy. It just makes me so happy. Like this will go into my stash for when it's a necklace that I really, really want to make something with. That's what happens with, like, I love the stuff that I come up with like off the cuff, but like I'll make a plan for this because it's so cool. It's so cool. I have something that's similar to this, but they don't dangle. The enamel circles are the actual chain itself. So these are really beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. And then we have a Bohemian Nights mix. Let's see what's in here. A lot of yummy stuff is what I'm seeing. A lot of yummy stuff. So the first thing I'm seeing are these shell beads. So Jesse James Beads does custom shell beads, like printed. These are so cool. They're a little hippy dippy. I like them. A little psychedelic. Bohemian psychedelic. Those are really cool. I'm seeing like my favorite colors in here. We've got my like vitriol color mix that I love. Look at these guys. These are gorgeous. And somebody told me once if the crystals have striations in them like that, they're really high like quality. Very high quality, and I've seen that a lot in some of the crystals from Jesse James Beads. Those are gorgeous. And then we have these beautiful purple metallic teardrops. So yummy. We've got some spacer beads. I love these spacer beads. They look like little flowers. Like a cartoon flower or something. We've got some like grape purple faceted glass or crystal beads. We've got 2 of these metal beads, some teal crystals. Those are gorgeous. This is so funny that I literally just picked out beads in this color palette to make a necklace for you guys using those African beads that I got. These. So it's just so funny because I don't usually use teal or purple. And I just think that either one of us was psychic. So we have more crystals and look at the striations in there. Those are fantastic. And we have some ceramic beads. I love ceramic beads. And we have some frosted glass. And we have some like stardust spacer saucer shaped beads. This it's so funny because there have been so many good boxes from them this year. I still think June was my favorite so far this year, but we've had a good run of 3 months. May was the fairy box, then we had like the cacti succulent box last month. That was my absolute fave that I still haven't done anything with because I've had 0 time. And now we're in this Bohemian Nights box, and this one's a close second behind the desert one that we had last month. I think it was Desert Oasis. And then to top it all off, there is a strand in this box and it has elephants on it. Look at that. It's acrylic. It's an acrylic elephant, but it's super cute and its trunk is up. I don't have to get rid of it. You guys know I really only use elephants that have their trunk up because it's good luck. I had a grandmother who collected them and she always told us it has to have the trunk up. But that's not even the coolest. I mean, it's one of the coolest beads on here, but it's not even the coolest because look, we have this awesome lotus here. It's like a bead cap, but also a bead. That's amazing. I don't have anything like that. We have some crystals, and look at this guy. This goes perfectly with our turquoise chain. Ugh. And then this guy is awesome too. And then we come down, we have more ceramic. This is a ceramic with like a Pandora style hole. We have a beautiful like flower, metal flower bead. We have some Heishi beads, some metal spacers. Gosh, that is one really, really, really cool strand. They outdid themselves this month. Sarah told me she was really excited about this month, and I was like, okay, I'm down with that. But I can see why she was really excited. So my favorite things in this box, obviously this strand, these two beads, and this strand, or I mean, sorry, this chain. But literally everything is amazing, and there's nothing I don't love. So. Let me know. What do you think? If you're interested in subscribing to the Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box, I will leave my affiliate link below. That always helps out the channel. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think about this month's theme. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.